Best enclosed 3D printer. Number 1. FlashForge Enclosed 3D Printer. Experience the future of 3D printing with the Adventurer 5M series. Ensure impeccable bed leveling every time you print, without the need for manual adjustments. Effortlessly achieve consistent adhesion and flawless first layers, saving time and eliminating frustration. Its unique lightweight design and stability boost efficiency, reduce production cycles, and ensure high precision and quality, ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. Offers rapid nozzle changes in 3 seconds, a high-flow 32 cubic millimeters per second nozzle for stable high-speed printing with a quick 35-second warm-up to 200 degrees Celsius, dual-sided pay platform for easy removal. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Antina Enclosed 3D Printer. Out of the box, completely assembled, speedy printing. The 3D printer is super easy to use and does not require a complex setup. You can start the first print within minutes. The small 3D printer does not need manual leveling. The intelligent leveling system can automatically adjust the uneven bed, thus realizing one-touch leveling and printing. With flexible and removable magnetic build plate, you can remove the models easily. High precision printing is the most outstanding feature of Tina 2. The dual Z-axis design makes the auto-leveling 3D printers run more stable, which greatly improving the printing details and precision. Ideal for beginners DIY kinds of craft. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Creality Enclosed 3D Printer. Simply tap extrude for smooth filament flow or retract for quick filament removal, making filament replacement a breeze. From assembly to auto leveling and filament loading, get your printing started within just 20 minutes. The Sprite extruder of Ender 3v3 SE works well with PLA, PE, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential. Backed by market-proven reliability, with over 500,000 units shipped worldwide. Uncompromised stability. Elevate your printing experience with the Ender 3v3 SE's dual Z-axis for reduced Z wobbling, combined with robust 8mm steel linear shafts that provide long-lasting and steady build platform support. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Asani Enclosed 3D Printer. Everything is included, just bring the imagination. This 3D printer starter kit comes with a mini printer, 10mm of PLA filament, a microSD card pre-installed with model designs and splicing software, and more 3D printer accessories. Unlike other 3D printers that may malfunction if not meticulously assembled correctly, our printer is designed for reliable, long-term use right out of the box. With its compact, classrooms, and dorms, delivering consistent, jaw-dropping prints every time. Made with kids and beginners in mind, our printer turns complexity into creativity, fueling simplicity. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Guido Enclosed 3D Printer. Load and retract filament at the touch of a button. The 3D printers for beginners and kids are compatible with 1.75mm PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filament. You'll also love the active pause and resume print functions that put more control in your hands. Open source printing. Use Mac, Windows, or Linux and bring your imagination to life. The Wi-Fi capable printer is also compatible with a majority of slicing software including WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slicer 3D. Go ahead, dive into the world of 3D printing the easy way. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.